Waterfront living at its finest with gorgeous views right from your living room. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,560 square feet manufactured home is located right on the water, at the end of the channel, in the long sought-after, meticulously maintained, Pier 1900. This home has it all. Private dock with ramp, storage shed, 2 covered carports, 2 covered screened sitting rooms, 1 plumbed for a hot tub and 1 partially screened. If you're looking for a peaceful lifestyle, this is the place for you. The inside is all electric and features central heating and cooling, dual pane windows, ceiling fans, skylight, oversized bedrooms, large open living room with built-in hutch, large open kitchen with all the amenities. Master bedroom is spacious with a walk-in closet, master bath has double sinks, large tub and walk-in shower. HOA dues only $132 monthly, which includes your water for the home, access to game area, west/gazebo for entertaining, and much more. The park is fully landscaped and maintained. There is even a boat storage for a fee. All the conveniences of a beautifully maintained gated community.